If I had to start a clothing brand in 2026 with zero inventory, this is exactly how I would do it. And honestly, I would not start the traditional way. Most beginners invest in inventory first. They order bulk, they spend thousands, and then they hope it sells. They guess demand and warehouse the guess. Boxes don't build brands, customers do. Tying up cash in stock means no budget for marketing, content, or community. No attention means no traffic. No traffic means no sales. Hope is not a plan. The old playbook is a direct path to burnout. Inventory sitting is capital frozen. The game has changed. In 2026, you don't need inventory, you need positioning. Clothing is not about fabric first, it's about identity. Before designing anything, define who is your customer, how does she want to feel, what transformation are you offering? Identity before inventory. Get specific, speak to someone, not everyone. Build a world, the places, moments, and moods your brand belongs to. Your feed is not a catalogue, it's a window into that world. Show people living the story, not posing against a white wall. Positioning is why one brand sells a tee for 50 while another can't sell for 10. Clarity informs your fonts, voice, casting, and design choices. You're selling a feeling, an affiliation, a point of view. Clothing is never just clothing, it's identity. Get the positioning right first. Everything else compounds from there. The smart model today is print on demand. You design. A supplier prints only after someone buys. Orders route automatically. They print, they pack, they ship directly to your customer. No storage, no bulk risk, no overproduction. Your time and capital focus on growth, not warehousing. Test many ideas safely. Remove what doesn't sell. Keep what resonates. Let the data curate your catalog. Smart founders validate demand before production. Odor samples, wear, wash and test. Check color, ink durability. Packaging communicates brand quality. Evaluate shipping times and consistency. Choose a reliable partner. Your reputation rides with them. If they fall on quality or delivery, your brand takes the hit. Test before you commit. Order samples. Check quality. Protect your brand. Before launching products, launch attention. Attention creates demand. Post the lifestyle your brand represents. Consistency builds trust and warms up buyers. Listen to comments, language, and questions. Run polls to co-create with your audience. Direct feedback is free market research. Become a media company for your niche. Start with 3 to 5 hero products, not 30. A focused collection looks intentional. Choose pieces that embody your positioning. Feel like a boutique, not a department store. Use evocative names and descriptions. Sell the feeling, not just specs. Announce a date. Treat launch like an event. Reward your earliest supporters. Show the products in their world. Aim for proof of concept, not a million overnight. UGC beats polished ads for trust and reach. After launch, analyze data. Adjust messaging, improve positioning, iterate ruthlessly. Double down on what works, expand winners, colors, formats, placements. Kill losers quickly, replace with new tests, replicate winning content formats, run small ads, scale slowly when ROI holds. Let customers steer the roadmap. Consider holding inventory only for undeniable winners. Improve margins and speed when demand proves it. Define, build attention, launch small, optimize with data. In 2026, starting smart matters more than starting big. If you're serious about building a clothing brand the right way, subscribe, because style is your silent power.